Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube trending when it's not showing on your device. First, make sure your YouTube app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Outdated apps often cause sections like trending not to load. Next, try clearing the cache. On mobile, go to Settings, find the YouTube app, and clear the cache. On desktop, clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using a VPN, disable it because YouTube trending is location based and a VPN can hide your region. Also, check your account and region settings. Trending videos are tailored to your country, so make sure your YouTube account reflects your correct location. If none of that works, log out and log back in. Sometimes refreshing your account connection resolves the issue. Finally, restart your device to apply all changes. Once everything is refreshed, open YouTube and check the trending tab. It should now display correctly. And that's it. These steps will fix YouTube trending if it's not showing on your device. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips.